Hello my dear students, how are you all? Fine, very good. Welcome back to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School channel. Children, do you remember in the last lesson what we have learnt? Which was our last lesson, previous lesson? Yes, correct. The previous lesson we have learned that we need water. Can you tell me why do we need water and who need water? Yes, very good. All living things need water. Living things means plants, animals and birds. They all need water to live. And also we have seen sources of water. So which are the sources of water? Rain, wells, rivers, lakes, springs. These are some sources of water. But children, do you remember I told you that rain is the main source of water, and from rainwater other sources get water, isn't it? And also we have seen the uses of water. So what are the uses of water? We use water for cooking, drinking, washing and cleaning. These are the uses of water that we have seen in last lesson. Also we have seen the ways to save water. Which are the ways to save water? Yes, at home we can save water. How? You can turn off the tap when it is not in use, or while brushing or shaving we can turn off the tap. Also for bathing we can use a bucket and a mug. In this way we can save water. This much we have learnt in a previous lesson, and today we are going to learn one more new lesson. Okay, so are you ready for that? Okay, now listen children, tell me, how do we protect our body from cold, heat and from rain? Can you tell me, how do we protect our body from heat, rain and cold? Yes, very good. We protect our body from heat, cold and rain by wearing different clothes. Very good. So children, today we are going to learn lesson number 8, that is our clothes. What is the name of our lesson? Our clothes, and lesson number is 8. This we are going to learn. But before that, listen student, in our India there are 3 main seasons. How many seasons are there in India? Yes, in India there are 3 main seasons, that is summer season, rainy season and winter season. These are the 3 main seasons in India: summer season, rainy season and winter season. According to these seasons we use different types of clothes made by different materials. Children, do you know the seasons have an important effect on the lives of human beings? What I told you just now, the seasons have an important effect on the lives of human beings. With the season, there are changes in the clothes we wear. As the season changes, we also change our clothes. Okay. Now, in detail, we will see through our book. So, everyone open your book, lesson number 8 and page number 162. Everyone open your book. Have you opened your book? Page number 162. Okay, very good. Lesson number 8 are clothes. Okay. Now see what is given in warm-up session. Okay, see. Identify and write the names of the clothes that the children are wearing. Take the help of the words given in the box. See children, downside pictures of some children are given and they are wearing different clothes. We have to write the names of those clothes that they are wearing. Okay, here some words are given in help box. We can take the help of those words to write down the names of clothes. Okay, see the first picture. Can you see girl in this picture? Which type of cloth she has worn? Yes, you can read these words. See what are given here: shorts, skirt, t-shirt, tie, frock, pajama, trousers, coat, socks, shirt, shoes and kurta. Now you can identify what she has worn. Tell me. Yes, correct. She has worn frock. So write down here frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frock. Everyone write with me. Frock. F-R-O-C-K. Frock. Comma. And see red color shoes also. So write here S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. See this picture now. Yes, what he has worn? She has worn pajama and kurta, also shoes. So write here kurta, K-U-R-T-A, kurta, comma, pajama. This is called as pajama. P-Y-J-A-M-A, pajama. Done. Next one, see. Look at to this boy and tell me which clothes he has worn. Correct. T-shirt. Right. T-shirt. T-S-H-I-R-T. T-shirt. Next. Shorts. S-H-O-R-T-S. Shorts, comma, socks, S-O-C-K-S. Socks, comma, shoes, S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Done. Next one. Look at to this man and write the names of clothes that he has worn. Okay. So write first what you will write. Shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Shirt, comma, coat, C-O-A-T. Coat, comma, tie. Look, he has worn a tie. T-I-E. Tie, comma, trousers, T-R-O-U-S-E-R-S. Trousers, comma, shoes. You can write here S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Done. Now look at to this girl and write the names of clothes. Yes, very good. Write down skirt, S-K-I-R-T. Skirt, comma, SHIRT, shirt, comma, tie, comma, socks, 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 comma, shoes. Done? Have you completed? Okay. Now look ahead. See, in this lesson we will learn different types of cloths, clothing materials, as well as we will learn about variety in clothing. Okay. Now listen children. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect our body from heat and cold. As I told you before in the introduction, that clothes protect our body from heat and rain. We get protection because of clothes, okay? And we wear cloth to cover our body. Different types of clothes we wear, and they are made from different materials. See, clothes make us look smarter. We use different types of clothes, that is attractive, fancy clothes we wear, and those clothes make us look smarter. Okay. Now come to the next page. Different clothes. We wear a raincoat in the rain. A raincoat protects us from being wet from the rain. See children, in rainy season we wear raincoat and it protects us from being wet from the rain. See children, this is the raincoat. What is this? This is a raincoat, and in rainy season we use such type of raincoats to protect ourselves from rain. Okay. And see children, now which season is going on? Yes, can you tell me? Yes, now winter season is going on. Very good. So in rainy season we use raincoat to protect ourselves from rain. In rainy season everywhere we see greenery because of rain. Now see next one. We wear light cotton cloths in summer. Cotton cloths keep us cool. Do you know? Cotton cloths are made from cotton. Okay. And the cloths made from cotton are light. They keep us cool. Do you know children, cotton cloths absorb. In summer season we sweats a lot, and cotton cloths absorb sweats very easily, and because of cotton cloths we feel very comfortable. Okay. So look here children, I will show you one cloth. See children, can you see what is this? This is a sun coat. What is this? This is sun coat, cotton sun coat. And in summer season most of the ladies or girls wear this cotton sun coat to protect themselves from heat. Okay. Now see children, next look at the clothes worn by the people in the picture below. Can you guess which season it is? See children, downside the picture of one man and woman is given. You just look at to the clothes worn by the people in this picture. Can you guess which season it is? First observe them and tell me what type of clothes they have on. Yes, see, the man has on coat, on the head cap, and the baby in the arm of woman has worn cap, hand gloves, and this woman has also worn cap, jacket, means these are the warm clothes. Then can you tell me, when do we use warm clothes or woolen clothes? Yes, we use woolen clothes or warm clothes in a winter season. So see, strike out the wrong word in the sentence. Here one sentence is given. From that sentence we have to strike out the wrong word. It is summer oblique winter. Now tell me which season it will be? Yes, winter season. So summer is the wrong word. It is winter. Okay. Now see next. We wear coats, jackets and sweaters in winter. What type of clothes do we wear in winter season? We wear coats, jackets and sweaters in winter. Such clothes keep us warm in winter. We also wear caps, gloves and mufflers to keep warm. See children, winter season is very cold season. We feel very cold in winter season. So to protect ourselves from cold, we wear coats, jackets and sweater. These are the clothes made from wool, and these clothes keep us warm during winter season. Also we wear caps, hand gloves and muffler to keep us warm. Now see children, can you see what is this? Yes, tell me what is this? Yes, this is the sweater and it is made up from wool. And if we will wear such type of clothes in winter, we feel warm. Okay? Very good. Now listen children, do you know there is also variety in clothing? Okay, listen, since our country is so large and we find there is variety in people's dress according to region. As you all know that India is very large country, and we find there is variety in people's dress according to region. Now I will show you some pictures. In that pictures you can see very easily that people wear different types of clothes. Okay, can you see in this picture men are there, and can you see men are wearing different types of clothes, that is dhoti. You can see in next picture men are seen wearing dhoti, then pajama, lungi, okay, and also trousers. They also wear, what they wear? They also wear caps like this, cap or hats, and other headgear such as mundase, feta or pagdi. Can you see? This is called as feta, this is pagdi. Yes, and this is the hat. Means we see variety in clothing. See the next picture. In this picture, can you see women and girls wear saris? See, women and girl can wear saris, frocks as well as salwar and kameez, as well as they wear shirts and trousers. See, people dress up for festivals and important occasions. Some people wear traditional dresses. They also wear bright cloths woven from golden threads. In this picture, can you see, this is the Maharashtrian lady and this is our traditional costume, that is kashta sari. Okay, means here we have seen that people wear different types of clothes according to the regions, okay, and according to season also they wear different type of cloth, okay. Now everyone turn the page. Okay, have you opened this page? See, clothing materials. Different materials are used to make the clothes we wear. Whatever the clothes we wear according to the different seasons, and these clothes are made up from different materials. So see, the most common natural materials used are cotton, silk and wool. Children, see, cotton, silk and wool. These are the most common natural materials used to make clothes. Which are the natural materials? Cotton, silk and wool are the natural materials that we use to weave clothes. Nowadays, we also use jute to make clothes. Nowadays, people are using the cloth made from jute. Jute is we get jute from jute plant. See, cotton comes from the cotton plants. From where do we get cotton? We get cotton from cotton plants. Here you can see, this is the cotton plant, and we get cotton from cotton plant. The color of cotton is white, and from that cotton we make thread. We get wool from animals like sheep and rabbits. From where do we get wool? We get wool from animals like sheep and rabbit. This is the sheep. Mostly we use the wool of sheep to make sweaters, mufflers, okay. Next, listen. We get silk from insects called silkworms and jute from the jute plant. See children, this is a silkworm and we get silk thread from silkworm and jute from jute plant. Next, see, sometimes people also wear special clothes for work. It is their uniform. What is a uniform? Means the special clothes which the people wear for their work or for their occupations. They use special type of cloth. These special type of clothes are known as uniform. In school also all students wear uniform, no? Why? In uniform all looks equal and they get a different identity with their uniform, okay. See, policeman, soldier, nurse, postman, these people have their particular uniform. We always see policeman in khaki clothes, correct. Soldier also we can see them in khaki clothes. Nurse, we can see nurse in pink or white dress, and postman also wear khaki clothes. They deliver letter to us. Nurse take care of patients in hospital. Then soldier, yes, soldier protects our country from enemies, and policeman, yes, they catches the thieves. Do you understood? Now listen children, all of you listen what we have learned in lesson are clothes. Listen, we wear clothes to cover our body. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. They protect us from heat, cold and rain. Next, see, we wear a raincoat in the rain. When it's rain, that time we wear raincoat to protect us from being wet. Next, see summer clothes. In summer season, which type of clothes do we use? We wear light cotton cloths in summer. Why? Because cotton cloths can absorb sweat very easily and we feel cool. That's why we use cotton cloths in summer season. Next, see winter clothes. We wear coats, jackets and sweaters in winter. In winter season, we use coats, jackets, sweaters, also muffler, hand gloves we can use. So next, uniform. What is meant by uniform? Sometimes people wear special clothes for work. It is their uniform. Means the clothes which the people wear for their work, and special clothes which they wear for their work, it is known as uniform. Next, see clean clothes. We should wear clean clothes every day. Next, listen. Did you know long time ago people used leaves and animal skins to cover themselves? Means early people, they were using leaves and animal skins to cover their bodies. See children, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. How they are useful to us or how they protect us? Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. We wear different kinds of clothes in different season. As I told you, in different season we use different clothes. Means in summer season we use cotton cloths, in rainy season we use raincoats, and in winter season we use sweaters, mufflers, coats or jackets. We should always wear clean clothes. See children, a diving suit is used by divers when they go under the water. Look at this person. This is a diver, and when we use diving suit, we use diving suit when the divers go under water. Is that clear? Okay, very good. Now everyone come to the next page, that is page number 165. See children, clean clothes. Just now I told you that we should always wear clean clothes every day. Every day we should wear a clean clothes. So wear a washed and ironed uniform to school. Whenever you goes to school, that time your uniform should be clean and it should be ironed, means well pressed. Okay. Now let's see in this lesson what we have learned. We have learned about clothes. Why do we need clothes? We need clothes to protect our body from heat, cold and rain. Then what we have seen? We have seen different types of clothes, and what is the importance of clean clothes. Listen, we wear raincoat in the rain, we wear light clothes in summer, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes are also known as warm clothes. Next, people wear special clothes for work, and it is known as their uniform. What is meant by uniform? The special clothes used by people for their work, it is known as uniform. Next, see clean clothes. We should wear clean clothes every day. We should wear washed and ironed uniform to school. Is that clear? Okay, very good students. Now see students, what we have learned today. we have learnt about our clothes, the need of clothes, why do we need clothes, okay, and also we have seen different types of clothes that we use in different season. Means in summer season we use cotton cloths, in rainy season we use raincoats, and in winter season we use sweaters, mufflers, jackets or clothes. This much we have learnt in today's lesson, that is in the lesson are clothes. Okay student, so we will stop here and we will meet in the next session, and we will solve the question answers of this lesson in the next session. Till that, take care children. Bye.